What's good, y'all? It is the 15th episode of my daily vlog. So my crypto video talking about pretty much these coins that are gonna 100x did very good. So I want to pretty much talk about how to buy these coins because I had a few questions from somebody, Ali. If you're watching this video, appreciate you. I want to show you guys exactly how I buy these coins and exactly what I do. So like how I said in my previous video, if you guys are pretty much new to crypto, go watch that video. I actually talk about exchanges and hot wallets and the difference between them. And that's pretty much one of the main reasons why if you're trying to buy coins like the ones that I'm showing, you can't buy them on an exchange. The reason why is because they're not established coins. The exchange will not hold them because they don't want to be liable for them. So you have to go through something like a hot wallet, go through a swapping exchange so that you can swap your Ethereum for those coins. So you're going to want to make a hot wallet. So something like MetaMask. There's multiple other examples of hot wallets, but we're going to do MetaMask. So you're going to get MetaMask. You're going to buy you some Ethereum. So after you buy you some Ethereum through your MetaMask, then you're going to want to go to uniswap.org. Make sure it's .org. You don't want to be scammed. So go to uniswap.org. From there, you're going to actually be able to trade out your Ethereum for whatever coins you want. To make sure that you don't get scammed, the best thing that you can do is find whatever project you're trying to jump to, whether you find them on Twitter or CoinGecko. Now, if they're a new coin, like this new coin that I jumped into, they're not even on CoinGecko yet. So you have to go to their Twitter, find the contract address, paste it into pretty much the search bar so then you can find the coin. Then you can go to Uniswap, put that contract address whenever you're searching up the coin, swap your Ethereum for that coin, and boom, you got yourself some coins. Now, guys, whenever you're jumping into these coins, don't make the mistake of going to the wrong website or making the wrong exchange for the wrong coin. This can happen, especially if you're a beginner. So whenever you're going to Uniswap, make sure you're on uniswap.org where it says launch app and everything like that. Make sure you get your Ethereum and everything. And from there, when you swap the coin, make sure you have the contract address to make sure you don't lose your money. You can go through straight up Uniswap, or you can go on something like Dex Tools and it'll pretty much take you through there as well. There's multiple different things you can go through, but the basic apps, guys, is you get MetaMask. From buying Ethereum on MetaMask, then you go to Uniswap, swap your Ethereum for whatever coins you have, and boom, there you go, you got it. Now, I want to talk a little bit more about pretty much this process as well as the coins that I'm jumping into. I have a few different coins that I am pretty much invested in, and they're already up like around 50 to 60%. So I'll be sharing those coins on the second half of this video, guys. I gotta eat, I got me some Mickey D's, but if you guys have any questions, suggestions, anything else about the coins or pretty much this process, just let me know. Stay tuned for the second half of the video. I want to share those coins with you. But yeah, guys, it's super hot right now and I have to turn down my AC because if not, you hear this loud wind gust on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat, guys. I got my nuggets. I'll catch you guys when I get out of work. We'll talk about the coins as well as just overall the whole process. Alright, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. This video is pretty much just a quick walkthrough of how to buy these coins because I know a lot of people are new to the space, so they jump on exchanges to buy their crypto, when in reality you shouldn't even really go on an exchange. You should have your money on a hot wallet. You just need to be very, very cautious because when you have a hot wallet, you're more at risk of getting your wallet liquidated or something happening. So you got to be cautious about it, but you can also make some crazy gains because there's coins that you can't buy on exchanges. So if you guys have any questions, any suggestions, or anything else you guys want to see, drop it down in the comments. I'll be sure to get to you guys. Other than that, though, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.